In today's helpful video, we want to talk about light bulbs, and specifically how easy it is for you to go shopping for new energy efficient light bulbs. For years, we used incandescent light bulbs. We were used to buying a 60-watt light bulb. We knew that it used more electricity. We knew that it didn't last very long, but we were comfortable with knowing how much light it put out and whether it was the color that we wanted to use. Then we went to a more electrically efficient light bulb and a compact fluorescent. But the compact fluorescent had a lot of performance issues, even though it did save a lot of money as far as electrical use. Nowadays we have LED light bulbs, but it's a little confusing when you go to a store and you see all the options for LED. So let's make it really simple. When you're looking for an LED light bulb, look for the amount of light it puts out. Now this particular bulb helps you by saying it's a 60-watt equivalent, but remember this is only using 9.5 watts of electricity. So what we really want to look for is the lumens. A 60-watt light bulb is approximately 800 lumens in light. So when you're shopping, the first thing you want to do is figure out how much light you want. If you want more light, you look for a larger lumen number. The second thing you want to find out is the quality of the light bulb. This particular bulb will last 22.8 years under normal use. This is a fully functional and dimmable light bulb. There are other options. If you have a light fixture that does not require as much use, or a room that is a spare bedroom, for example, you could go to a 10-year light bulb and save about 50% on the cost of buying that light bulb. This still gives you the same 60-watt equivalence of light output. Now the next thing you want to look for when you're choosing a light bulb is the color. Before we had soft white light bulbs, and we knew that that was a fairly yellow color. Soft whites are about 3,000 Kelvin in color. Kelvin is a measure of the temperature of color. So when we are looking for light bulbs, we're going to look for a Kelvin number. You want to look for about 3,000 Kelvin if you're trying to replace a soft white light bulb. But there are other options. This particular vintage bulb gives you a very yellow look. This is down in the 2200 Kelvin number, and this is a very old-fashioned look of yellow light. A lot of times people today, though, are looking for a much whiter light. This is a 5000 Kelvin light bulb. Same price, same light output, but a different color. So by going to a 5000 Kelvin light output, you are going to get a much whiter light, and perhaps that would be more comfortable for you in the wintertime when you have those dark days and not much sunlight. So when you're looking for light bulbs, make it simple. It's easy to pick the right light bulb for you.